In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as a VIP in Slack. When you're working with a lot of messages and channels in Slack, it's easy for important people or conversations to get buried. That's where marking someone as a VIP can really help. It's a simple way to highlight certain people so you can keep track of their messages more easy and respond faster when it matters. So first, make sure you're signed into your Slack workspace on your computer. This works best on the desktop app or in a browser rather than on mobile. Once you're in, go to any channel or direct messages where the person you want to mark as VIP has recently posted. Find one of their messages in the conversation. It doesn't matter which message you choose as long as it clearly belongs to the person that you want to prioritize. Move your mouse over their name or profile picture next to the message. Then right-click on their name. If you're on a laptop with a trackpad, you can usually do this by clicking with 2 fingers or holding down the control key while you click. A small menu will pop up next to their name, and this menu contains several quick actions that you can take for that person. Look through the options and find the one that says Add to VIP. When you see it, click on Add to VIP. And once you click this, Slack will mark that person as a VIP in this workspace. Depending on your setup, this might give their messages a bit more visibility, make them easier to find, or simply serve as a reminder that this is someone you want to pay closer attention to. If your workspace uses notifications or filters based on the VIP status, you'll now start seeing the benefits of having that person highlighted. If you decide later that you no longer need someone marked as a VIP, you could usually follow the same process and look for an option to remove them from VIP using the same right-click menu on their name. And that's all there is to it. By right-clicking on someone's name and selecting Add to VIP, you can quickly keep your most important contacts front and center in Slack, helping you stay organized and responsive in busy workspaces. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.